Hey there, ever thought about why you shower? Sure, it's to get clean, but sometimes it's about relieving stress or even helping a sick kid feel better. But if your shower is old, worn out, and hard to clean, it's not doing any of those things well. Today, we're diving into how the right shower wall material can transform your shower from functional to fabulous. Let's get started. I'm Callie, the content manager here at JSB Home Solutions. At JSB, we've installed over 180 showers in Central Ohio in 2023 alone. Today, we want to put our experience to work for you. At the end of this video, you'll know the basics of what tile, solid surface, and acrylic shower walls are. We will also cover the timelines and costs of each type of shower. As we talk about these materials, think about what matters most to you about your shower, and you'll be able to decide if tile, solid surface, or acrylic will be the best fit for you. If you want more home improvement content from us, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Before we get started, we're about to give you a lot of information about tile, solid surface, and acrylic showers in a really short amount of time. To have all of this information compiled into one easy-to-read place, follow the link in our description for a free download of our shower wall cheat sheet. Let's start with tile shower walls. Tile is durable and water resistant, making it a viable option for any area of your home that is regularly exposed to water, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and laundry or mudrooms. There are many different materials used to make tiles, including ceramic, porcelain, glass, marble, and granite. Tiles come in endless colors, textures, sizes, and shapes. The biggest downside to tile is that it has grout lines. Grout lines are porous, meaning water can seep in and cause all kinds of problems to the tile itself and the structure underneath. With 75% of tile showers failing during their lifetime, diligent maintenance is a must, which can get time-consuming and costly. Installation takes about 3 to 5 days and can cost anywhere from $2,000 to about $17,000. JSB does not install tile showers because we feel the other materials discussed in this video bring better value to you, our customers. Tile showers are great for those who love creative and classic charm, but if you're looking for a low-maintenance option, solid surface or acrylic might be better for you. Next up, we have solid surface shower walls. These panels are made from mineral dust mixed with resin, offering a natural stone look without the hassle of grout lines. Solid surface is completely waterproof, mold and mildew resistant, and there are no grout lines. Maintenance is as simple as your regularly scheduled cleaning since there are no grout lines. Can you tell? It's exciting to no longer have to scrub grout lines. Here at JSB, we install Onyx shower walls, which are 63% solid surface materials and 37% specialized resin that give it the look of natural onyx stone. Solid surface panels are easy to install in 1 to 2 days, and costs range from $10,000 to $15,000. If you want a completely waterproof, maintenance-free shower wall, solid surface is a strong contender. Now, let's talk about acrylic. Acrylic shower walls are a more budget-friendly option than solid surface and offer many of the same benefits, meaning no grout lines. Acrylic is waterproof and low maintenance, just like solid surface. Made from durable plastic, modern acrylic is a far cry from the cheap roll-on acrylic of the past. Installation of acrylic takes just 1 to 2 days and costs between $8,000 and $13,000. Acrylic is perfect if you're looking for a low-maintenance, cost-effective solution, though it's a bit more limited in colors and customization compared to tile and solid surface. For more details on any of these shower wall options, check out the videos or visit our Learning Center linked in the description to read more about tile, solid surface, and acrylic shower walls. At the end of the day, you want to be able to relax in your clean and inviting shower. While tile offers some creative design options, for those looking for a lower maintenance option, solid surface and acrylic shower walls bring the functional beauty homeowners crave. For more information on bathroom remodeling, check out our videos on bathroom remodeling costs and project timelines. If you want to talk to us more about your bathroom remodel vision, give us a call or head to our website to schedule a free 45-minute in-home consultation with JSB Home Solutions. After comparing tile, solid surface, and acrylic, you don't have to guess what's right for your bathroom. With the proper knowledge and a clear vision, you can create the perfect shower oasis. Thanks for watching and happy remodeling.